Welcome back to the channel. Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now some people are wondering, did Phillip Paulwell suspect Leoda Bradshaw had something to do with the disappearance before it was confirmed as murder of his baby mother and his young child? I mean, after receiving cryptic emails, she just fly in. She fly in, and your daughter and your baby mother just go missing. And if you didn't know, she go fly in. Was there any signs within her character? Did she seem angry, upset? And then, as Mama say, him daughter and him baby mother just go missing. And maybe she showed no signs. And him just never know. Either way, they must say a goose cook with 2 testimonies already in the possession of the prosecutor, along with a list of evidence, and with some alleging that even Paulwell will be taking the stand against Bradshaw. You know, there's also a next wicked aspect of this case. Is the aspect of the fact that she's a mother. Leoda Bradshaw has a daughter of her own with Phillip Paulwell. Where's the compassion, the empathy? This woman ordered the taking of the life of a baby. You might did hear about this in a Lifetime movie, or you see it in a show. But the hearts of men have really become desperately wicked. A mother order a man to take the life of a next innocent child. No hurt nobody, do nobody nothing. Just born recently. Very sad. Now speaking of mothers, recently a video started circulating social media with a woman and another woman. One of the women holding her child in her hand. And society has been calling for the authorities to locate her, arrest her, and take her child from her. Now she has since brought her child in herself to clear her name and has given her version of what took place. We can hear from her and they will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
I'm Barton and I am 21.
Alright, so Kimia, we saw where a viral video went on social media where you were involved in a fight and you tossed the baby on the ground and then lift the baby back up with one arm. Can you take us through what happened that night?
I was out at the road, and when I was at the road, a girl named Onika, she thief my baby clothes, and when she take them, I cuss them, I want them back. And Shavanice, one girl named Shavanice, take up the argument, which she now come on me had to take my baby clothes. Then they call Talia, because through them was a Talia, they always a bully me, that I'm a baby cousin. Then when Talia come, she started to cuss me and class me and call me all type of names. Me cuss her back, me tell her things, she tell me things, and then she come in and she choke me, started to fight me. She fist me, and when she fist me, it fist the baby out of my hand. She start beat me, I tell her real bad. None of them now video that, because our company, they video it. They now video when she beat me. When me feel dizzy because of C-section, me do and me have pressure and all of them, because something there. So, me feel dizzy, me never do want really drop the baby, me never do want drop the baby. But through me feel dizzy, me don't want her to get no serious damage. So, me I try to put her down, but through one iPhone they have, they take it to make it look like say I just drop the baby, so. Which me not go do that because me am a good mother to my baby. And me love him, so me not go do that. And his mother, when me at regular basis, this what they do to me, because they know me not have nobody to defend me, me not have nobody at all to defend me. When me a breed, his mother beat me and sent me to go on a station because Talia have one policeman. And the policeman did all say he shoot me and all type of that. And me did go station, go report it. And
so you're saying it's a regular occurrence where they bully you?
Yeah, every time, because they know me not nobody to step up for me, me not have no money, me not have nothing at all. So when they do this now, they feel like it all get away.
So how is the baby doing? We realize that the CPSFA has the baby in the care now. Did you send in the baby?
Yes. I send her in. Because me know me not wrong and me not run away because me love my baby and me know me not wrong. This a regular habit what they normally do to my baby. They even tell the boy Rashid don't mind the baby. Me have to buy baby clothes by my own. Me not trouble them. Me move out of the house because me did live with them. Me rent one house myself. One room and I start my life. I catch up me hear them and I get me little things then. Me little change to buy pampers and stuff. They not give baby nothing.
I don't know if you have seen the comments on social media where persons are bashing you saying you're a bad mother and you should be arrested. What would you want to say to the nation now given what has happened?
I want to tell the girl I'm so sorry because I feel dizzy that the baby dropped out of mine. I'm so sorry. I am a good mother and I will not do that. If I was in the right mind, I will not do that to my child. Because I know how serious it is, so I not going to do that to my child. And I know Twinkle just 6 months. If she get one serious lick, she dead, I gone to prison. I not going to do that and I know so I go to prison by the end of the day and I not have nobody to help me. But this is a regular habit what they normally do. But then them attacks, they must say they never have video if you put up people and something, but anyway, it get away. And the girl now, she run away, she gone because she know she wrong and she do it and she had talk about how she sorry if you put up here and there something.
So you're hoping that you will be able to get your baby back, given some training and all of that?
I hope. You know, I love my baby. Even when my breast are leak, I cry. I cry night, I cry day, I cry. Because I love my baby and my baby no deserve to go home. None at all. Twinkle a baby.
No, this is not something that can be justified. You hear what she say? You know what I mean? But we're going to say this. But we have noticed, and even based on statistics, in the inner city, where young mothers find themselves as single mothers, whether because of financial reasons on the father's part or whatever the situation is, there's also a level of stress before I would do that. I'm not think most people look upon it from that level. Single parents are more stressed than the average two-parent household. So are the children. The living dynamic is different. And while she now definitely say it, she hint at it. She said life has been extremely stressful. You know what I mean? Where income is concerned, so she'd have to stop, live around them and get her own place. Glad for no say, she carrying the baby herself. Based on the video I show, she said the video was edited. Can't say yes and I can't say no. She said the video was edited to make it look a certain type of way. But she said she bringing her baby herself. Because she know her name will get cleared. And, you know, baby wasn't injured. It just look away upon the media though. The way this video that circulates social media, people from other Caribbean countries ask me, what is? Who is this girl? What really take place here, sir? People outraged. Anybody will see the video. Normally outraged when them say what I want. But so shall I play with Jamaica for forgiveness? And so shall I try to explain the situation? No? Best as possible. Tell me what you think about her apology and what she has said about the situation. Now if you're new to the channel, it's a pass through. We'll click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now until the reason again, because I'm going to say the comment section 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. You can drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning from right there. So now you can share the video. Share icon is right beside the like icon. You can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check all the time, check out the reasoning. And also join the discussion as I said before. And of course, my sentiments for you and yours is for to live, love, and for also prosper. Now until the reason again, my sentiments, want to stay tuned.